The highly rhythmic drumming and the wild and sensuous movements are the hallmarks of the Cook Islands Hura. This tropical and aromatic number will have you in a spin. Prepare a mint sprig garnish. Place a handful of mint into the palm of your hand, slap and place into a Collins glass. Press this. Add an equal measure of sugar syrup, fresh lime, and passion fruit puree. Plantation Pineapple Rum brings a rich and delicious bouquet of citrus peel, ripe banana, spices, and pineapple. Fill the glass 3/4 full with crushed ice. Churn to integrate all of the liquids together, but be careful not to disturb the mint at the base of the glass. Dip taste. Fill to the rim of the glass with crushed ice. Evenly distribute 8 dashes of Peychaud bitters around the top of the cocktail. Cap with crushed ice. Garnish with a mint sprig. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.